Jean has made a piece of stained glass art in the shape of two mountains, as shown in the figure below. One mountain peak is 8 feet high, while the other peak is 12 feet high. Each peak forms a 90-degree angle, and the straight sides form a 45-degree angle with the ground. The artwork has an area of 183 square feet. The sides of the mountain meet at an intersection point near the center of the artwork, h feet above the ground. What is the value of h? Okay. That's hard. Okay. So we want to know what this intersection point is. So say this also continues down. Okay. So let's think about this. Well, if we form these triangles, this is going to have a 45-degree angle, 45, 90 triangle. Same with this triangle, be a 45-degree angle. And it forms this triangle. So we then know so if the height is 8, perhaps we can find one of these sides here. So drawing this down, we'd split this 90-degree down the middle, and this is 12. Then this becomes a 45, 45, 90 triangle. $45, $45. So then we can infer that this is 12. So 12, 12. And then this is going to be let's call that x. So x squared is equal to 288. X is equal to 2 root 288. This 288 4 times 4 times 72. So we can and we can take out 2 times 2 times 2, 2. Okay. So this is 12 root 2. Actually, I could have, remember 45, 45, 90. This is just root 2 of this. So didn't need to do this whole thing, but we got there. If we do the same thing here, cut this down. then this is going to be 8 root 2. Hmm. I mean, this is then another 45, 45, 90 triangle. Can conclude that this is 8. Wonder if another triangle can be formed here. H. I mean, if I could figure out what these sides are, that could be helpful. Yeah, some way to find these sides. Like, I wonder if there's some relationship between this and this. Oh, an area of, oh, I wasn't even considering this here. Totally didn't read through the whole thing here. Um, that's interesting. Oh, so yeah, if we're looking at the area of this triangle here, so it's 12 1/2 times 12 and then the base. The base is 24. Yeah, this whole thing is going to be 24. So 144. And then looking at this triangle, we're going to have 1/2 times 8 times, and this whole thing is 16. 64. Oh, I think we're getting somewhere. So area of these two triangles together, area of these, so we're double counting this, is 144 plus 64, which is 210. But we've double counted this. So we need to do the area of this then is going to be 210 minus 183, which is 27. So the area of this is 27. It's just 1/2 base times height is equal to 27. Base times height is equal to 54. So I wonder if I can deduce this. So this, area is 54. Well, what? You know that base times height is going to be 54. Oh, and we can rewrite this. Oh, here we go. Since this is a 45, 45, 90 triangle, it looks like the base is across from the 90 degrees. So the base is equal to h root 2. So therefore we have here h root 2 times h equals 54. So h squared root 2 is equal to 54, and multiply both sides by root 2. Divide by 2, h squared is equal to 27 root 2. So therefore h that doesn't look right. Let's think about this again. How about instead of doing this, yeah, we have h Yeah, something's off here. Here we go. Here's the error. That does not equal 210. This should equal 208. So therefore, we want 208 minus 183, which is 25. So therefore, it has to be true. 1/2 base times height is 25. Going back to this, the base, we can do base height is equal to 50, but we can rewrite this as follows. And multiply each side by √2. Make sure we got this right. Yeah, this is where I probably have some other error somewhere. because that can't be right. Oh, shoot. I see where I'm going wrong here. Um, if we're just, I'm looking at the whole triangle. If we're just thinking about this right here, which maybe we should focus on, this is a 45, 45, 90 triangle. Um, but the area here is, that's going to be 12.5. So therefore, here we go. Um, therefore, base times height, one half base times height is, and where, let's call this half is going to be base, and we're still finding the same thing. One half base times height is 12.5. Therefore, base times height is 25. And h, yes, it's going to be true that this is h. Base is going to be, yeah, I guess technically 45, 45, 90. Base is also equal to h then by this logic. So we have h squared is equal to 25. So therefore h equals 5. Yeah, I say h choice B, h is equal to 5.